Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add a new invoice to the Zoho Invoice application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, tap on the Invoices button down below, which is the third option. Then all you need to do is clicking on the plus icon that you can find in the upper right corner of the screen. Then you should select the customer. Then add item details, such as add a new line. So here you can check them out. You can select the item itself, provide it with a brief description, select the quantity, the rate and the text. You should add the invoice date, so you should select it from the calendar, and also the terms, payment terms, then the due date. The invoice number can be added and the order too. Then the salesperson can be selected. You can add it by typing in its name. And then the subject should be added too. Type it in, and then as you scroll down, you're going to find the payment gateway section that you can set up, and also a customer note. It's a preset sentence, thanks for your business, but you can change it anytime you want to by tapping on this white box and simply deleting it and typing in your own customer note, as well as the terms and conditions section can be customized too. If you are done with adding all these details, tap on the save button at the top of the screen. So that's how you can add the new invoice. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.